Welcome to this geometry lesson. Today, we are going to learn how to find the area of a rhombus. Specifically, we will focus on the formula that uses the product of the diagonals. By the end of this video, you will understand exactly why the formula works and how to use it correctly. First, let's define what a rhombus is. A rhombus is a special type of four-sided shape, or quadrilateral. The most important thing to remember is that all four of its sides are equal in length. It also has opposite sides that are parallel to each other. You might often hear it called a diamond shape. To calculate the area, we need to look at the diagonals. The diagonals are the lines connecting opposite corners. In a rhombus, they have two very special properties. First, they cut each other exactly in half. Second, and most importantly for our area formula, they meet at 90-degree right angles. We call them diagonal 1 and diagonal 2. Here is the formula we use. The area of a rhombus equals 1/2 multiplied by diagonal 1 multiplied by diagonal 2. You can simply think of it as half the product of the diagonals. We write this as 1/2 times d1 times d2. Let's see why this formula works. Imagine drawing a rectangular box that perfectly fits around the rhombus. The width of this box is the same length as the first diagonal, and the height of the box is the same length as the second diagonal. The area of this large box would just be width times height, or diagonal 1 times diagonal 2. But we don't want the area of the whole box. If you look closely at the grid, you can see that the rhombus takes up exactly half the space inside the box. For every triangle inside the rhombus, there is a matching triangle outside of it. That is why we multiply by 1/2. The rhombus is exactly 50% of the rectangle. So here is the step-by-step process. First, measure or identify the lengths of both diagonals. Second, multiply those two numbers together. And third, divide that result by 2. Do not forget the last step. Let's try an example problem. Suppose we have a rhombus where the first diagonal is 10 centimeters and the second diagonal is 6 centimeters. First, we multiply 10 by 6 to get 60. Then, we simply divide 60 by 2. The final answer is 30 square centimeters. A very common mistake is to just multiply the diagonals and stop there. If you do that, you are calculating the area of the rectangle around the rhombus, which is twice as big as you want. Always remember to take half of the product. Think, multiply, then divide by 2. To summarize, a rhombus has 4 equal sides and perpendicular diagonals. The area is found using the formula 1/2 times diagonal 1 times diagonal 2. Remember these simple steps, and you will get it right every time. Thanks for watching.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.